Are you facing this issue when you're trying to validate your e-invoice inside SQL Accounting? So my name is Dex, and we have actually been creating video guides to help SQL Accounting users to solve issues they face with the system. Alright, so actually if you actually have been upgraded to the latest version, which is now currently 893, you will most likely be facing this issue of state code 17 should be used for consolidated invoice only for buyers. Alright, so this happens actually because LHDN has now set certain compulsory fields which are required for the validation of an e-invoice. So today I will be showing you how and what you need to do to resolve this issue. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you close your invoice screen, come to your customer, maintain customer. Let's say example, let's choose a client or customer, say Anadal Trading. Double click. Okay, so what happens is we press edit here, remove the state if there is any information, come to postcode here, and let's say for example if they are in Petaling Jaya, so let's say example we use the postcode 47810. So once I press tab, the city and the state will automatically appear. Okay, so once we're done, we press save. Okay, so now let's say example we come to my sales, we come to my invoice, and let's say we got a invalid, let's say example Another Trading also, right? So we can just double click it here, we can check the reason why it was invalid. It should have that same reason, state code 17. Okay, so we edit here, we update the information. All we just do is we come to Another Trading again. Here we can see the postcode, everything is appearing. We press save, approve, and then we press my invoice, we press submit. Okay, so now refresh. Now again it shows that it can be validated because now all the compulsory fields are already updated. Okay, so this is actually what you need to do now to ensure your e-invoice are validated properly. Leave a comment below if you have another topic you'd like us to cover. Thank you.